Welcome to USA Alert Zone, where your immigration awareness begins. Green card holders, naturalized citizens, even those born in the US, no one should assume they're completely safe. In 2025, your US citizenship can be stripped away, and it's already happening. Let's break it all down. One small mistake can cost everything. It only takes a single mistake, an overlooked detail, a forgotten incident, or a misunderstood question on a form. In 2025, these simple errors are now being used to revoke U.S. citizenship, legally, quietly, and permanently. The Trump administration has made denaturalization an immigration enforcement priority. The Department of Justice, DOJ, under Attorney General Pam Bondi, has issued a formal memo directing agents to pursue civil lawsuits against anyone who may have obtained citizenship fraudulently. What is denaturalization? Denaturalization means your citizenship is revoked after being granted. It's not a criminal process, it's civil. You won't be arrested, but if the DOJ wins in court, you lose your citizenship and you become immediately deportable. You won't revert to a green card holder. You lose legal status entirely. And yes, this is happening now. Why is this happening in 2025? This is part of a larger immigration crackdown by the Trump administration. USCIS and DOJ are working together to re-audit old green card and naturalization applications. They are reopening closed cases, reviewing past approvals, flagging inconsistencies, prioritizing removals over rejections. Even people naturalized decades ago are now under scrutiny. Who's at risk? Here are the red flags triggering denaturalization investigations. Green cards or citizenship obtained through marriage fraud. Undisclosed marriages or relationships, failing to report past arrests or minor crimes, submitting fake job offers or false family sponsorships, involvement with corrupt attorneys or agents, fraud against federal programs like Medicaid or welfare, ties to national security concerns. Even if these events happened years ago, they are being used now as grounds for removal. Real 2025 case patterns. Let's look at actual cases from this year. Marriage fraud, marrying a U.S. citizen just for immigration, then quickly divorcing. Secret marriages, claiming to be single while secretly married abroad. Undisclosed crimes. Not being arrested doesn't mean you're safe. Medicaid or tax fraud can still be used against you. Fake employment sponsorships, getting a green card through fake job letters. Corrupt channels, working with dishonest attorneys or fixers can come back to haunt you. The N400 Trap question. One question on the naturalization form N400 is causing serious trouble. Have you ever committed a crime for which you were not arrested? Answering no could be considered a lie if you did something wrong, even unknowingly. This question is now being used by DOJ lawyers as a legal weapon to strip citizenship. What happens after citizenship is revoked? There's no second chance. Once denaturalized, you're considered to have never had legal status. You're placed in removal proceedings. No USCIS appeal, straight to immigration court. And this is a civil case, not criminal. The government only needs to prove that your immigration benefit was obtained through lies or omissions. No jury, just a federal judge and a civil burden of proof. What you must do right now. If you're already a citizen or green card holder and think your past might raise red flags, don't file any new forms until you consult an immigration attorney. Review your green card and citizenship paperwork for inconsistencies. Be honest if applying now. Don't guess your way through the N400. Know that even old mistakes can now reopen your file. This isn't fear, it's fact. In 2025, immigration enforcement is aggressive and retroactive. Final warning. Denaturalization has become a priority tool for immigration enforcement. If you are a green card holder or a naturalized citizen, remember, one past mistake can now be used against you. Civil lawsuits don't need a criminal charge. If your status is revoked, you are removable. USCIS is coordinating closely with ICE and DOJ. Even decades-old fraud can lead to loss of citizenship. Don't take your status for granted. Stay informed. Stay cautious. Consult an immigration attorney if you're unsure about your case. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more critical immigration updates from USA Alert Zone. Stay safe. Stay aware.